Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in sixth lecture of chapter number 6. Before starting this exercise 6.2, we study that if two lines intersected by a transversal, then we are having generally three results. First, corresponding angle. Second, alternate interior angle. And third, conjugative interior angle. Means if these two lines are there and this is transversal, then we are having 8 angles. So we study about corresponding angle, then alternate interior angle, and then conjugative interior angle. So these result, all these three result plus result of first exercise will be used in this 6.2 exercise. So this figure is given. We ourselves write here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is not given in the question. We ourselves write down this to make the question simple. So what is given in the figure? Angle 1 is 50 and this angle 4 is 130. Here we want to find out value of this angle x and this angle y, and then also we want to check whether AB is parallel to CD. This we want to show. Now if you see here 1 and 2, then in 6.1 we study if on straight line two angles are there, then their sum will be 180. Region is linear pair. So in place of 1 we will write 50, in place of 2 we will write x equal to 180 as it is. So this 50 will become minus on this right hand side. So 180 minus 50, x is 130. So we find out this value of x by using result of linear pair. Now if you see here 3 and 4, then these angles are equal. Region is vertically opposite angle. In place of 3 we can write y, and in place of 4 we can write 130. So value of y is 130. So we find out value of x by using linear pair of angles and angle y by using the vertically opposite angle result. Now we want to prove that these two lines AB and CD are parallel. Before this you must know this result. This result. Lines are parallel, corresponding angle are equal. Reverse is also true. If corresponding angle equal, lines are parallel. If line parallel, alternate interior angle are equal, or alternate interior angle equal, then line parallel. If line parallel, conjugative interior angle are supplementary, means their sum is 180. If conjugative interior angle are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Means result is also always reversible. So you can see that value of this angle and this angle y is 130. But if you check, then you can say that these are at the position of alternate interior angle. So if alternate interior angle are equal, then we can say lines are parallel. So again we can see, we find out value of angle 1 by angle 1 50, angle 2 x, means we can find out the value of x by linear pair. Then we can find out value of y vertically opposite, but these two are equal, they are at the position of alternate interior angle, so we can say that lines are parallel. Now we will see that how we will solve the question second of this exercise. Now question number second. So in this question, three lines are parallel. A, B, C, D, E, F. These three lines are parallel. This is question number second. So what is given here? Y ratio Z 3 ratio 7, AB parallel CD parallel EF. We ourselves write this 1, 2, 3, 4. This angle is not given. We ourselves write it for our help. So we want to find out the value of x. So whenever ratio is there, we will start question with ratio. So y ratio z 3 ratio 7. So we can write y equal to 3a. हम यहाँ x नहीं लिखेंगे because x we want to find out. Generally for ratio we use x, but here we will not write x because x we want to find out. So y 3a, then z will be 7a. So we will start from here. CD parallel to EF, then these two angle CD parallel to EF, then these two angle 3 and 4 are equal. Region alternate interior angle. In place of 3 we can write z. In place of 4 is given z, it means 3 is also z. So angle 3 is also z. So if you see these two angle are on a straight line, it means their sum is 180. Again we will write the result of linear pair. So angle 2 you can write y, angle 3 you can write z. There's some 180. In place of y we can write 3a. In place of z we can write 7a. 3a plus 7a 10a. So a 180 upon 10 you will get 18. When we get the value of a, then again we will write y and z. Y 3a, 3 in place of a 18. So value of y 54. Then z 7a, so 7 into 18, value of z is 126. We find out value of y and z, but we want to find out value of x. Now we will take these two lines AB and CD. Again AB and CD are also parallel. So angle 1 and angle 3, you can say these are equal region corresponding angle. You can see here these are corresponding angle. So in place of 1 you can write x. In place of 3 you can write z, x as it is. In place of z from here you can write value 126. So in this way we can find out value of x 126. So here again we will see. First we apply here alternate linear angle result. Then here linear pair of angle result. Then 1 and 3 here we apply the corresponding angle. So by applying these three results in this question, we find out the value of x. So tomorrow we will solve question 3rd and 4th of this exercise. Thank you.